He's showing a lot of teeth. Marty's eating it.
Oh yeah, he likes that stuff.
That was funny. Oh, gee. Did you say dog?
He's breaking him off a piece.
It's better just to let that thing keep going. Whoa, look at you. Is he doing that on purpose?
No.
He's having so much fun.
No, he doesn't want that.
You got any more towel? Oh, yeah.
He's okay. He wants to give him some corn off pieces.
Curly taps.
I like how he breaks them off just a little bit.
Yeah.
He knows he's running out.
He's prolonging it.
Is Marty fun, Evan?
We'll give him that little piece. He breaks it.
He's trying to prolong it.
Yeah.
Ooh, it feels good, too. It's squishy.
The best laugh.
Too bad, Mom. Oh.
He's gonna eat it now.
Ew. What do you think, Evan? Is that worth eating?
Give it to Marty.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Good, good boy. Right.
Yay!
Yay! There it is.
He's telling him it's some down there.
Good job, Evan.
Evan, good job. Yay, Evan. Yay.
Wipe your hands.
Yeah, Grandma's going to help you clean up.
Ah.